Locksmith Bloomfield, New Jersey. Always guarantee satisfaction to every customer, no exceptions. Your satisfaction is valuable to us. We are experts at replacing destroyed keys and emergency rekeying jobs. Maybe you misplaced a key, a relative lost the key, or your Yorkshire Terrier thought it was a shiny new biscuit. Whatever the reason, Locksmith Bloomfield, New Jersey does not ask any personal or intrusive questions. We do what is needed. We do what is needed. We do what is needed. So you do not waste any more time. Your keys are quickly and professionally replaced. Possibly your car is about to be towed and you need to get in to prove your ownership. However, since everything is going wrong in your day, your key is not working and you need a crisis rekeying stat. No problemo for us. We will arrive in a moment's notice and fix up that crisis rekeying. So call us, Locksmith Bloomfield, Locksmith Bloomfield, Locksmith Bloomfield, New Jersey at 201-706-7087.